Ayan. So, yung napiling kanta ni Asek Bev, ibang generation, hindi ko pa alam eh. Nahalata tuloy na magkaiba kami generation ni Asek Bev. Kaya magpapatugtog na lang siya ng karaoke para hindi walang lag. Kasi if I play it from my end, magkakalag. So, sayang naman po. And then later, we'll have our saxophone session. So, bigyan po natin ng masigabong
No.
palakpakan si Asek Bev.
Oh my God. So, hindi na lang karaoke, magsising along lang ako with
Oh,
my
sing along to, sing along.
favorite singer for now. Wait,
Oo.
naririnig niyo na po ba?
Yes.
Naririnig niyo ba?
Oh, magaling daw kumanta si Asek Bev.
Actually, hindi pa. Baka umulan po mamaya.
Yay! Quiet na tayo.
We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts sitting there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.
Pwede na?
Yay! Chorus pa, chorus.
So when we can be alone, I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Okay.
Yay! Thank you, Doc.
Nakakahiya.
Meron kang fan
Thank
dito,
you.
oh. Alam na magaling kang kumanta. Alam na Swiftie ka. Alam yung age mo.
Baka friend ko yan.
Ayan. So, maraming nagpapasalamat dito. Thank you daw for your time and enlightening our audience today on the basic services that we get from PhilHealth. So, maraming salamat, Asek Bev. Sa uulitin, sana maging suki ka namin dito para may Swiftie tayo palagi. Tapos aaralin ko na yung mga sax songs ng Swifties.
Thank you very much din po.
Alright.
And good luck, Ma'am Shelo, sa lahat pa ng episodes mo in the future. And good night po sa lahat ng
Alright.
nag-tune in.
Good night, Asek Bev. Thank you.